I couldn't help but notice you shared about an issue here on this Facebook wall, and if I may, I'd love to share my thoughts on this most important issue of them all. Oh, who am I? I am a co-worker of your second cousin up in Maine. That is not important. What's important is you're wrong. And when you read my words that will be playing, I'm just like you. I once held your same position. I know why you think the way you think. But I've read books, and I've watched documentary programs. I've read articles and blogs. Here are the links. And now I see your friend has liked your comment, so clearly their position is misplaced. Pardon me, I couldn't help but notice your feelings on this issue. Copy-paste. And you agree. Oh, agree to disagree. You must not understand just what I've said. So here's another way of thinking, along with some more linking. You'll get it when you read the things I've read. I see you're mad, but that just means it's working. Better mad than madness, can't you see? You should thank the Lord above, but not that one you're thinking of. But still, you should thank him, you have me.
Blocked.
Oh, you blocked me. They blocked me. Yeah. My friends, we live in perilous times. Just look at the way that they're talking about politics and sex and podcasts. And we cannot have a civil conversation because the moment you disagree, you get blocked.
Well, you're kind of a jerk.
You're blocked. Friends, I was blocked, but I kept this screenshot. Look at all the true things that I said.
So true.
I am in the right, but I can't keep up this fight.
Let's all jump on this Facebook thread.
Oh, you shouldn't.
Pardon me, we couldn't help but notice you shared about an issue here on your Facebook wall, and if we may,
Oh, they may.
we'd like to share our thoughts on this most important issue of them all.
And so we'll march.
And so we'll march
From wall